easy Bahama Mama at home. If you all love spiked drinks, you all are going to love this new VEVOR Slushie machine. Stay tuned, let me show you how easy this one is to use, operate, and make drinks. It's both for kids and adults. So here I have the machine. It's a frozen drink maker, and it's perfect for your home as the size is compact and it makes drinks so easy and fun for the kids and adults. So today I'm making Bahama Mama, and I'm going to add in 4 cans of orange pineapple juice, and you can use any recipe you have that you want to make for this. Even I'll show you the different modes that it has, so you can even make milkshakes in this if you wanted to for the kids. After the orange juice, I'm going to go in with my coconut rum. And I'm giving you a measurement, but if you wanted to put more or less of an ingredient, feel free to do that. In goes a grenadine syrup and banana liquor. Your sugar content needs to be at least 6% for this to freeze. Now goes in spiced rum, and use any brand, any type you would like. Cover the latch, put on the machine, and I'm going to select spiked mode. There are 6 modes: cold drinks, slush, frozen juice, milkshake, spiked, and frappy. It does come with your instructional booklet, so it's easy to use. And in a matter of minutes, 10 minutes later, this is what it looks like. Nice and slushed. And all you have to do is pour it out and enjoy. If you guys would love to have one of this in your home, click in the description box and you'll find the link to place your order today. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to get this one for the kids. They are absolutely going to enjoy. Bye everyone.